I think Santa was
What
here.
is this?
Ariana, come look, hurry.
What's this? Oh my God, I think Santa came
Look,
here.
what's that?
Look,
Hurry, Ari.
hurry up, go rip the paper off. Aiden, come over here. Leah, look over here. Rip that paper off. Rip it off. Aiden, here. Rip it off.
Ariana, open it.
Look
Oh
at
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. You found a cookie? This is a little kitchen. Aiden, what did you get? A train. Holy moly.
That one came from...
Wow.
I moved the TV down some. And then I moved this down some.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, Aiden, isn't that cool? Here, Aiden, let me pull it out a little bit so you can watch out. Okay. Now you can crawl around the whole thing. Look, this was broken. In the box. Here's on here. And there's one other piece that was broken. But that was it.